Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. We don't know how much longer Nissan's going to stand behind the Titan full-size pickup in the U.S. The automaker quit supplying the truck to Canada in 2020, and sold 27,406 units here last year. That compares to 81,959 Toyota Tundras sold in the same span, and ridiculous oodles of trucks from the big three. It's not dead yet, though, so Nissan has given the 2022 version a new range of prices. 3 model years after a comprehensive redesign eliminated the single cab and raised the entry-level MSRP by more than $5,000, there are more earthquakes coming for the piggy banks at the bottom of the range. MSRPs for the new truck and differences from the most recent 2021 Titan pricing, including the $1,695 destination charge, are: Titan S King Cab 4x2, $39,705, $1,060 Titan SV King Cab 4x2, $45,035, $2,550 Titan S King Cab S 4x4, $42,965, $1,090 Titan SV King Cab 4x4, $48,295, $2,580. Titan S Crew Cab 4x2, $41,475, $100 Titan SV Crew Cab 4x2, $44,955, $130 Titan Platinum Reserve Crew Cab 4x2, $58,395, $260. Titan S Crew Cab 4x4, $44,635, $130 Titan SV Crew Cab 4x4, $48,115, $160 Titan Pro 4X Crew Cab 4x4, $52,595, $210 Titan Platinum Reserve Crew Cab 4x4, $61,675, $300 Titan XDS Crew Cab 4x4, $47,275, $150 Titan XDSV Crew Cab 4x4, $41,055, $190 Titan XD Pro 4X Crew Cab 4x4, $56,865, $250 Titan XD Platinum Reserve Crew Cab 4x4, $64,735, $330. That $41,475 gateway makes the Nissan more expensive than the offerings from Chevrolet, Dodge, and Ford. The Titan does have its engine going for it, every trim powered by Nissan's 5.6-liter Endurance V8 putting out 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque, the puissance sent through a 9-speed automatic transmission. All Titans also come with Nissan Safety Shield 360 technology that bundles 6 advanced driver assist systems. There are no big changes for this year. Minor revisions include the former flagship SL trim going away, another pricey retirement that follows the departure of the Cummins diesel in 2020. The Pro X King Cab takes a hike as well, a crew cab the only option now. The big financial add-ons for the SV King Cab trims do come with more equipment, though a Nissan spokesperson telling Cars Direct that the $2,440 convenience package is now standard equipment package. That package includes gear such as a 9-inch touchscreen display, dual-zone automatic